Hey guys, Bill Connelly here, Executive Sales Director with Financial Education Services. Just putting together a quick video. I like putting these videos together so I can help my team members better understand their website, their back office, how to build their business, and just how to be comfortable in navigating around. So this is the corporate website right here. You can check out all the links at the top, which talks about the company, the products, different products. A lot of people need to know that you can go to this to actually sell these separately. So if you just wanted to sell LifeLock, you can hit the Learn More button. There's a link you can share with people. If people want to secure a credit card, you can click the Learn More or give them the Enroll Now link to add positive things to their credit. But you can check this out. This is all the products that we have. Our flagship product is the FES protection plan. So right here, learn more. That's a great page to go to, a great page to give people. You can copy and paste your link at the top. It has all the products on it, a little video, and enroll now button. So you can check all that out. Business opportunity. There's a short video here. There's an enroll button. Talks about the company right here. And, people would just click on the enroll button. Now, they would be signing up personal information, filling out all this information. You definitely want to get them into the 288 because that includes the FES protection plan. After your first payment of 288 one time, then it's going to be $89 a month. But once you work with your upline, your sponsor, your team, and you can have 5 people directly underneath you, whether they are a customer or they are a business builder, you will no longer be charged that $89. So you definitely want everybody here. The one below does not include any of the protection plan membership, the perks as far as an R&R club and different things like that. So you definitely want to get people to the 288. So you're going to highlight that, Social Security, make a password, and then just buy in. Make sure your name is always at the bottom as well. So that's the sign up page for the business opportunity. The YFL, this is where the company put together Youth Financial Literacy Foundation. Every $2, $2 of every protection plan membership goes to help educate kids on their finances and also give scholarships. So I'm going to log in real quick. So this is my back office login right here. You see my username, password is hidden. I'm just going to log in here real quick. You see me at the top. This is going to be your corporate website, top right here. Okay. Right here on the down button, you'll see profile pop up. All right, it's really important. Main settings over here, display name. Now check this out. Display name, what you want it to say. So if you don't want it to say your name right here, you could put like the credit menders. You can make it a business name, whatever you want to do, so it shows up on your website. Upload a picture. Now make sure you have a professional looking picture on your website because when people come to your website, if it's blank or you have some, not so good picture, it's a credibility issue. Credibility. So make sure you have, a good profile picture. So there you go. There's contact information, blah, blah, blah. This is what you'll see with your address, phone number, English, and your FES website. This is the corporate website. So commissions right here. Let me go back to the dashboard. Probably easier. All right, so right here we have a cycle right here. You can click on the calendar. FES works off of a 4-week, 5-week cycle. So if you click on the calendar right here, this is showing what week I'm in right here. So January, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 4-week cycle. February, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-week cycle. So our next 5-week cycle is in March. Okay, and you can go all the way down the calendar to see that. So it's basically 4-week, 4-week, 5-week. Now the reason they do a 5-week cycle is so that people who come on board in the first week are going to be rebilled in the 5th week. So you're getting extra volume. You're getting twice the volume. So that's important to help people with their ranking up and things like that. So that is the calendar. This is new agents that have come on my team in this cycle. This is how many personals that I have active right now. And we can go down here. This is my business right here. As you can see, I'm an executive sales director. 85 is my own volume. Since I have over 5 people under me directly, I don't get charged the $89 anymore. Make sure this is green active. Also right here, you can see 14 personal, 2 inactive. The one person has to make their payment, so that'll go 172 active in my organization, 51 non-active, total of 223. Now I've been in FES for 9 months now. Really important down here, login button to the FES protection plan. When you log into your FES protection plan, I'm gonna do this real quick. Boom, this will open up. It's going to be the email that you signed up with and the last 4 of your social security right here. Then you're going to sign in. Okay, this is where all your products are. So make sure you get back here, and some information will pop up the first time you log in here. You know, you're ready to get your credit started, things like that. So there's a couple things that I still have to do, but see, when it's green, completed, access, stuff like that. Over here on the left is where you actually log in. So for example, you know, if you want to log into something, you would click on it, boom, it would pop up, and then you would see over here on the far right, access your account, and that's where you would access your account. So you want to set up all your products. You want to know your products and be able to explain your products to other people. So that is where you log in for the FES protection plan. Let me do this real quick. Let me go back to my dashboard. Now, if you need to upgrade or change your credit card or get back active, you're definitely going to need to be in the protection plan. And it'll probably open up if you're not active that you need to make a payment. But over here on the right, it says your credit card and updated and stuff like that. And it says mine, expires 7/28. So definitely what I do is, make sure that my credit card is good on file. And if you need to change out anything, you can hit the update. But if you're not active, I think a box is going to pop up here to let you know to make a payment. As soon as you do that, you're reactivated. So if you went inactive, you can do this anytime and just pay the $89, and then you're back on board and good to go. Commissions, you would go to the commissions report. That's where you would see your weekly. We get paid every Thursday. So Wednesday night about 5 p.m. Eastern, your commissions are going to show up what you made for the week. We get paid weekly. And you'll see your commissions back there, on Thursday morning, and it'll hit your checking account. So if you want to put in a checking account, you can do the direct deposit enrollment. If you don't do that, they're going to send you a check, which is, 4 or 5 days after the commissions roll out. But if you want to get it the next day, which is Thursday, definitely do the direct deposit. Marketing, FES store. If you click on that, it's going to be the Vista. They already have a Vista page made up for FES. And, if you click on that, you can see all the business cards, banners, clothing, stuff like that. So that's what you're going to do with that. There's different presentations, reports, agent reports, and customer reports. These are 2 very big areas that you want to learn, agent reports. So you definitely want to come down here. If you're looking to find out about your CAB report right here, your structure, sponsor placement, downline, top producers on your team, the R&R club, the medallion club, this is an area where you need to know. There's a lot of little things right here, but once you master it, put some time in here, you'll totally understand. Customer reports, this is where you can see, your new customers, stuff like that. Customer placement, the holding tank. Once you have your 2 people under you and you're cabbed out, you'll learn about that. Any new customers are going to go into your holding tank. And what you're going to want to do with those customers is then place them under new agents that come into your organization so that you can get the second part of the pay plan, which is called cabbing. 2 customers under every single agent will trigger a second part of the compensation plan. This is real cool right here. The enrollments. Now, if you click on here, your agent enrollment will pop up, and you can grab the link at the top. If you go down here, this is the main cost to get in, 99 setup fee, 89, you make $100. You can lower that application fee to 49 and you'll make $50. Or you can actually eliminate it. So you might have a husband and wife wanting to come on board, and you can, give them a one setup of the 99 and one for free. Or you got a family member, you don't want to charge it all, just the 89 only. You can use these different links right here. Training, very important that you do these two. The very first top two are very important. The conference calls tells you when calls are, but with the training videos, and I need to show you this, it's going to show you the information that you need to learn about your business. Okay. FES login, uploading your documents, smart credit, LifeLock, all that stuff right there. And here, these are important right here. This is about your business. So right here, these are your business ones. What do I do when I'm new? Understanding the CAB, which I was just talking about. Setting up your agent services, agent to sales director, how to rank up, teaches you that. Structuring your organization, sponsor placement, how to move people around. Setting up your FES customer services, all those services we talked about. So after that, we have a connect page. You want to click on that. Something's going to open up. Do you want to start? This would be your customer only. If you set the template up to customers, which I have, and then I would give this, I could mask it. Like I could go to GoDaddy and get a really cool name that people can remember. Like I got fixyourdamncredit.com. I got thecreditmenders.com. So things like that. But then you would hit the manage button. There's templates in there that you can check out. Let's click that real quick because I want to show you that. You would grab one of these templates. The one we're doing is down here. This one right here. This is the template we're using, which is really cool. So you can check it out. Then you can go in and you could edit out your information. So you watch this, boom, it'll pop up. And then now it's populating for me real quick. Give it a second. And then you would just put in your name right here. Click on it. And you would type in your name, click on it. It's not working for me for a second right here. So this is the template right here, the one you're going to use. Compliance, make sure that you understand. Click on compliance right here. It's going to show you the do's and don'ts, what you can do and can't do on social media, so you don't get your account locked out. So that's basically the dashboard. I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, once again, my name is Bill Connelly. I'm an executive sales director pushing vice president, and I'd just like to put together a quick tutorial to help my team know, where their stuff is in their back office. So if you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to get a hold of me. If you're not on my team, definitely get back with your sponsor. Maybe share this video with them, that they can share it with other people so that it can help them, any other agent in FES, better understand their back office, how to navigate around, and just things that they need to know. So these are all the links, training videos, connect page. These two are important. Compliance, knowing what to post, knowing where your corporate account link is, how to get into your profile section, marketing, the store, all your reports in the agent area, the customer area, commissions report, direct deposit, knowing the comp plan. Right up here, you can click on that. If you click on that, you can get the PDF over here, or you can watch a video. Not a video, but the actual printed out one. So it's pretty cool. So I hope this helps you. My name is Bill Connelly. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and you have a wonderful day.